In today's video, we're going to be using two AI tools. We're going to be using Google Gemini and Arena AI. So basically what I'm going to be doing is to create an image using Google Gemini. So I'm just going to go ahead to input my prompt here. So I basically did this prompt using ChatGPT just to save on time, okay? So this is basically me requesting for an image of nature, right? So I put all that I wanted to see in the image and I'm going to go ahead and click on send. And now let's wait for Google Gemini to do their thing. And guys, as you can see, I don't have a plan. This is just the free version. Okay. So we're just waiting at this point. And here comes our image. Yeah, so this is definitely something that I'm actually looking for. But of course, if it is that you're doing an image and it did not come out the way that you want for it to come out, all you have to do is to go ahead and tweak it a bit. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead to copy this because my main aim is to show you how I'm going to allow for this image to come alive using Arena AI. I'm still a bit nervous when speaking, guys, so I'm gonna get over that. So we're now on Arena AI, right? So it basically look like any other AI platform. This is the home screen. It's basically asking of us what it is that we want to do. So I'm just gonna paste the image right here and say I want for this image to come to life. I'm gonna go ahead and click on send. And guys, if it is that you're not familiar with Arena AI, so whenever it is that you're trying to make a video with Arena AI, it actually goes ahead to give you like two options, right? So you have Assistant A and you have Assistant B. And then after reviewing these two options, you can definitely go ahead to decide which one is best for you. So I'm just waiting to see the results of this. Okay, guys, it's taking some time. Normally take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the image, but we'll definitely get there. But I definitely want for you guys to see the real waiting time though. So Okay, just when I was about to get annoyed, right? So here we have two images. So I'm going to go ahead to play the first image. So I'm not sure if it is that you guys were able to hear the first image, but honestly, you can definitely hear like the river like coming down. I'm not sure how to explain it, but yeah, it was beautiful. Let's try the second image. I honestly can't choose. They're both good. Let's go back to A. Okay, so definitely with B we had more action, right? Because we could actually see the butterflies flying and so forth. Let's go back to B. We even got a bird here, right? So I'm just gonna give it to B for this one, right? And yeah, so this is basically how